Good morning students. Today we will discuss about hardware and software. So what is hardware? Hardware are some connected devices. Means we connect these devices to our computer system to do some specific task. Means these are physically exists components. Means we can touch it, we can feel it. These type of devices we can touch, we can feel. So these are hardware. Hardware are two types, external hardware and internal hardware. What are the external hardware? External hardware are those devices those hardwares which we connect to the computer system externally or outside from the computer system. Example of external hardware are monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner. These are external hardware. We use or we connect those devices to the computer system externally or from outside of the computer system. Internal hardware. What is internal hardware? Or what are the internal hardware? Internal hardware resides within the computer system. Means it resides within the system. Some example of internal hardware are CPU chip, that is microprocessor, ROM, read-only memory, RAM, random access memory. These are some examples of internal hardware. Okay, moving to the next point, software. What is software? Software is a set of instructions. Means software are some set of instructions given by the user. These are also called programs. Software is also known as programs. We cannot touch it. We cannot feel. Means these are not physically exists, but we can see the softwares on our monitor or on our screen, on our computer system's screen. Okay. What are the types of software? There are two types of software, application software and system software. Am I clear? Okay. System software. System software is also known as operating system. These are the interface between user and computer system. Means system software or operating system, it creates some environment to interact with the computer system for the user. Am I clear? Okay. It creates the environment to connect with the computer system. It is the interface between user and computer system. Some examples of system software or operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. These are some example of system software or operating system. Application software. Next type is application software. What is application software? Application softwares are some softwares which we use to do some specific task. Am I clear? Okay. This type of software we use for doing some specific task. As for example, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel. These are some examples of application software. We use this type of software to do some specific task. As for example, that means Microsoft Word. This is an example of application software. We use Microsoft Word to do some task like for making files or for making documents. We use Microsoft Word for writing our documents or writing our records. We use Microsoft Word. So we are using this software for doing some task. Am I clear? Okay, that's all for today. Today we wind up. Bye bye.